Happy Tuesday. Thanks for clicking to WYTV.com. I'm meteorologist Ryan Halicki. Here's our next storm system that will bring a big boost to our temperatures. One day only, though. Wednesday, much warmer, and then by Thursday, we'll be on the backside of this. That colder air starts pouring back in. So I want to talk about how this storm system is going to impact us. We're going to start with the winds. Those will start coming up overnight, and by as early as Wednesday morning, we'll start seeing those gusts jumping into the 20-mile-per-hour range, as high as the around 30-mile-per-hour for gusts. Going through the day Wednesday and even Wednesday evening. Still a bit on the breezy side until we get this cold front to settle through the area. Now, that will at least be a warm southerly breeze as the temperatures will be climbing fast, jumping toward the mid-60s for your Wednesday. So this is the day to take advantage of the nicer warm temperatures if you have some outdoor work to do, because this is going to be the warmest day of the entire forecast period. In fact, as we look at the 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, well, the latter part of that 7 day, I'm watching even colder air moving in. That's going to touch off some snow too. You'll see that here in the 7 day in just a second. So I want to walk you through this on Futurecast. Overnight tonight, as we start in the 30s, temperatures actually climb as we go toward morning. So we'll likely be in the 40s by the time the sun comes up here. Clouds already built in, and through the morning, a couple of isolated showers or sprinkles. This is not going to be a washout by any means. And by 9 a.m., those showers are out of the area, but you could see a few raindrops during that morning commute. The rest of the day looking dry, mostly cloudy, breezy, and warm with temps in the 60s. Your Wednesday evening will be quite mild. We'll sit in the 50s throughout much of the evening and the night. And into Thursday morning, we'll start looking at those rain chances creeping back up as that cold front approaches. You can see we stop here at 4 a.m. Notice the temperature difference we're picking up on from 40s to 50s across the valley. The warmest part of your Thursday is going to be whenever you wake up. If you step outside first thing, that's the warmest temperature I expect you to have through the day, because by the time we come up to 9 a.m., we're looking at even colder temperatures moving in with rain likely for us. That rain continues through early afternoon, fizzling out as we get to late afternoon here, and then those even colder readings as temps fall into the 30s start moving in, and that's when we'll start watching for a chance for a few snowflakes. In fact, as we go through Thursday night, I expect some lake effect around lingering into at least Friday morning. That lake effect precipitation, though, fizzles out by Friday afternoon, and the weekend not off to a bad start, but we'll see more showers by the time we head to the end of it here. So wind is up there on your hassle factors list. Rain not going to cause you too many problems, but you could see a shower or sprinkle later tonight and into that morning commute. 34 is the low. That's early on. By morning, we're already in the 40s. Fast rise in our temperatures for tomorrow as that warmer air surges in. It'll be a breezy afternoon with highs approaching the mid-60s. Now your 7 day outlook as we get to Thursday, well, you see that high of 52 will be first thing in the morning. I expect much of the day to be spent in the 40s with those showers around through the first half of it. By Friday, watching for some lake effect around. That's primarily in the morning. As we come up on the afternoon, that lake effect fizzles out, and then it's a dry start to our weekend, but not a dry end to it. For Sunday, another storm system setting up brings some scattered showers, and then I'm watching early next week a big drop in our temperatures as much colder air comes pouring in out of Canada here. So we'll see some showers around on Monday that eventually transition over to some scattered snow, and looking at lake effect snow around the region on Tuesday with a high temperature only around 30.